Hi, I'm Chris Hudig, Technical Sales Manager for the Karnak Corporation. Today I'm going to show you how to make a roof repair with Karnak 19 Ultra. 19 Ultra rubberized flashing cement is our premier flashing cement. This flashing cement not only makes repairs on a dry surface, but you can also make them on a wet surface, even underwater or if it's raining outside. What we have here is ponded water. This roof has improper slope and is holding water. There's a leak inside the building, and I'm going to fix it today using Karnak 19 Ultra in a 3-course repair with Karnak 31 fiberglass membrane. The tools we'll be using today are going to be a whisk broom to remove some dirt and dust from the surface, our trowel, and some pre-cut pieces of Karnak 31 fiberglass membrane, as well as the Karnak 19 Ultra. I'm going to take a whisk broom and just brush away any dust or dirt. I just want to make sure that I got positive adhesion and don't have any dirt to interfere with the bond. We'll be taking our Karnak 19 Ultra, spreading a layer down, and embedding our 31 fiberglass membrane into it. Ultra's got a special water displacement chemical that actually pushes the water away, allowing the material to stick directly to the roof surface, and then applying another layer of Karnak Ultra over top. The fix we're doing today is actually a permanent repair. We won't need to come back and do anything else. We'll be able to seal the roof underwater. Obviously, we could even do this if it was raining outside.